I said thank you for joining. That today happens to be the last day of this workshop, and I want us to just briefly have a recap of everything we have done so far, from the beginners class to the immediate class and now the advanced class. In the beginners class, we were able to talk about how to use ChatGPT professionally, Gemini professionally. Also, on the first day, I think we also touched a little on Notebook LM. Then the intermediate class, we expanded Notebook LM fully and also showed us other aspects of Gemini that many of us have not been using. So how we can use Gemini to create web page, how we can use Gemini to create infographic, and how we can now convert the web page to a fully functioning app. We also did that. And also, we taught us various ways that we can use to get our PowerPoint done. So we talked about Canva. We touched Canva a little, how we can use Canva to create our PowerPoint, how we can use Gamma to create our PowerPoint, how we can use Kimi to create PowerPoint, and how we can also use Notebook LM to create our PowerPoint. Then we now move further from just creating the PowerPoint from on Notebook LM, because if you use Notebook LM, it's going to give you all your slides in form of picture. So we touched on how we can convert the pictures to an editable form, and I don't think by now we should have any problem with that. Is there any issue with that? I can see Dr. Nura Garba. You're welcome, sir. Are you with us?
Hello, I'm with you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining us, sir. Actually,
Yeah.
when I saw the Nura, I hear here in Ibadan. When we hear Nura, we think the person is a female. So that was why when I sent you the link, I addressed you as she. So sorry about that, sir.
No
So
problem, sir.
it was like
Yes,
that
sir.
you now explained. So far, with everything I have explained, now, do you have any issue with that, or we should just proceed? Dr. Nura, you are just joining us today. Do you have any issue with everything I have mentioned now? Can you do all those things?
Yes, sir. I can do that one, sir.
Oh, okay. So can you use Gemini to create an exam portal?
Exam portal, no, sir. Can do that.
Hello, sir.
Or you did not join our intermediate class? Okay. Someone wants to say something.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I'm having issue with, sorry, maybe I should allow you to finish first.
No, I'm just calling you. I said Dr. Adeboye.
All right, good morning, sir. Thank you for all the efforts for all those times. It
Thank you.
has making an impact
Thank
on
you.
me personally. The how to create this portal is where I'm having issue. Successfully at home, I practice and I use material I have to uploaded. I uploaded it and I use it to rate MCQ questions. So since you said I first created 50, but since you said we should use 20, that since it's not a paid version, so
No,
I
20 words, sir. Sorry, make me get that.
20 MCQ,
I did not say that. Oh. I did not
20
say you can.
questions.
No, you can make it more than 20. Anyone that works for you. But I'm with you.
But I thought you said that unless I can't create it more than 50. I can't create more than 20 on it yesterday.
No, I did not say that. Oh. I said you can just create anything you want to create. I did not
Okay.
say. I did not remember myself saying that.
Uh,
Maybe you got me
so
wrong. You can, but proceed.
I,
Let me hear you.
I did it, and
Okay.
I later convert it into the sheet, just as you have told us to do. The column for the answer, I
Okay.
created the column for the um, score points.
Okay.
So at a point I want to download now, I need the add-on. So I downloaded the add-on, but I couldn't get it. I imported to the thing automatically. And
Okay.
at the same time, I'm thinking that there's a place there that I'm having one chart there that I want to put there before the question is question would not be set under that chart. So
Okay.
I couldn't get that one done too. And in addition to that, and I perceive that the student will have to, if the student have to write the exam, They have to put their name and matriculation number. So I couldn't see how I can handle that.
Okay. Now, are you talking about portal creation, or you are talking about form auto generation? Portal creation, we did portal creation using Gemini. Then the other one, yesterday, we touched on how to create our form automatically. That was what we did yesterday afternoon. Portal creation, we did that the day before yesterday. Maybe on Monday, sorry.
Probably those were the time I'm having the issue of network issues.
Okay, so
But
no
the
problem.
one you did yesterday, I actually practiced it at home and
So now the question you now have is how to auto-generate, how to create your questions, how to auto-update them, upload them on Google Form.
Yes,
and
sir.
how you can now use it to collect information from students, their matric number and all, right?
Yes, and they are the word if they are writing the test, so
Okay.
that I will know who is responding to, who is doing the one particular record I'm saying.
All right, it's fine. No problem. So I got that. So any other question? Elijah Shitu.
Yesterday I couldn't participate, sir, because of my phone that has issue. So you now
Okay.
told me that I'm going to do a recap, and for the yesterday to do the man rightly said maybe you just do a recap for us for the 2 days on portal creation, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right, we'll do recap. Then Dr. Nura Garba, what do you want us to do, sir?
So maybe I don't know, sir. Maybe after the class, if I can just have a few explanations, so that will not drag us back.
No, I don't say after the class, so let's do it now. Let's solve the whole problem together. All right, so what do you want us to do?
So maybe if you can take maybe a recap.
Okay,
So
all
that
right. Let's do. But before my Windows laptop shuts down, yesterday some people said we should move on when we were talking about Copilot. But I know there are so many things we need to gain there. So let me just touch that, then I'll move on Mac before the battery of this laptop runs down. So I said, like I was saying yesterday, I said I did not argue with those people that said I should move on because I feel no problem. I'll keep it for the advanced class. Now, we have yesterday I said we had two versions of yesterday I said we had two versions of Copilot, and I said we have the free version of Copilot, and then we have Copilot 365. Free version of Copilot, with it you can easily talk to your computer and ask it to train you things that you don't know. So we practicalized it yesterday. So for the benefit of those that were not in class yesterday and those that requested for recap, so I'll just touch that before this laptop goes off. So I said we have two. The first one will come for free. Or if you have Windows 11 or updated Windows 10, you will have this one that I have on my screen. This is the icon right here, this small icon here. Let me move this thing up. So this small icon that I have here. So that's the icon. You should have it on your computer. And if you don't have it, you can just click on search right here and go to and type Copilot. So when you do that, it's going to give you this. You may not have this 365 that I have. I'm having this 365 because I have 365 accounts that I'm using on my computer. So I want to show us the difference between the two. The first one that we practiced yesterday is this one, this Copilot. I said AI has come to take over, and at the same time, it's seriously challenging this academic job full time. No, the job I am doing now, talking to people like this and saying, okay, you can do this and that, AI has come to take over. So I will now have other people to train, those that have decided not to key into it. So this one that I have now, that is Copilot free, the free version, this is what it's going to give you. And when you have this, there are things you can do here. And why I like Copilot is that it normally pays attention to details, and whatever it's going to give you is always comprehensive. So, and it is free. So if we come here now and click on this Google that we see here, if you click on it, it will allow you to go into your computer and then learn anything you want to learn. Let's say, for example, I'm working on let me just open one Microsoft Word. So let's say I'm working on Microsoft Word and I don't know where to go. I just don't know how to use it at all. It's my first time of using it. And now I want it to teach me. So instead of paying people to teach me, all I just need to do is come here and click on this Google right here. and scroll down to the application I have opened. So this is Microsoft Word. I'll just click on share. So now when I share it, it will automatically see my screen. So I will have to turn this microphone on. So it's on now. It can hear me. Hello, Copilot.
All right, I can see your Word document just fine. It looks like you're starting with a blank page there. So what are you working on today? Trying to draft something new?
Okay, thank you very much, Copilot. Yesterday I did table on Microsoft Word, but today I want to know how to insert picture from the internet into my design. How can I get that done?
Absolutely, I can help you with that. So right up there in your toolbar, you should see a tab called Insert. Go ahead and click on. All right, I can see your Word document up on the screen, and I can see that Insert tab right there near the top. So just go ahead and click on that Insert tab, and you'll find an option to add pictures from online. Once you click that, you'll be able to search for any image you like and insert it into your document. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, so I'm trying to do it now. I've clicked on online, insert picture from online, and now it's loading up. Okay, so I can see pictures. So let me just pick the picture of this apple. It's fine. Let me insert it.
Perfect. I can see you've got that image of the apple on screen now. Awesome job. If there's anything else you want to tweak or if you need more help placing it, just let me know and we can keep going from there.
Okay, so please, is there a way I can remove the background of this image?
Absolutely. You can definitely do that. Now that you've got the picture selected, you'll see a picture format tab at the very top there. Just click that tab and you'll find a remove background button on the far left. Go ahead and select that and Word will help you remove the background from your Apple image. Give that a try.
Oh, okay. I can see that selected all the areas. So how do I use these functions? I can see mark areas to remove, discard changes, and keep changes. Can you explain that to me, please?
Sure thing. So on the toolbar there, you've got a couple of options. You can use mark areas to keep to draw lines over the parts of the apple you want to keep. And you can use mark areas to remove if you need to fine tune anything that should be gone. And once you're happy with it, just hit keep changes and you'll be all set. Just give that a go and see how it turns out.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's all for now. That will be all I need for now. Thank you.
You're absolutely welcome. I'm glad I could help you out with this. If you have any other questions down the line, just let me know. Otherwise, have fun with your design and I'll be here if you need anything.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad everything worked out smoothly for you. If you need any more help in the future, just give me a shout.
Now, can you see that? Hello, are we together? I'm surprised to have plenty of people today.
Wow. Thank you, engineer. Morning, sir.
Actually, I think we are just going to be like 2 or 3 in this class today. So having plenty of people is surprising.
Oh, thank God for that. Thank God for that.
So, all right. So we are just having a recap from the beginning, all the things we have done. And before we now hit it with the last one that we want to do for the advanced class. And then we'll call it a day too.
That is very good, sir.
All right. So now, the beautiful thing about this that we have done is that it will convert everything into text form for us, and we can now copy this text and create a training book or whatever we want to do with it. So if we don't know how to go about it, if we did not know how to go about it before contacting Copilot to do it for us, then we can now copy the responses that you have given to us and then create our ebook with it. So that is one way to it. And now another way to hit is that I can now ask Copilot to give me the ebook. So this ebook, that is the hinting now. It's another way of making money online. You can create ebook, upload it on many platforms, or just keep it somewhere and then sell it to people online. So we can use Copilot to get it done. Use Gemini to create our designs, whatever design we want to use around it, and then we have it. We can sell it to whoever we want to sell it to. So let's now see how we can create our ebook. So now if I want to create ebook, I have this option here called Smart. The Smart option will just go ahead and give me what I want. So now the Smart option will just go ahead and give me what I want. It's just like the what is it called? The Fast that we use on Gemini and ChatGPT. But this one is smart right here. It means it will just do it smartly and give us what we want. And another one we have here is Think Deeper. So Think Deeper will take its time to go through everything before giving us the feedback. And also we have the Study and Learn that can teach us how to use things. And also Deep Research. We have Deep Research here that we can make use of to do deeper research, to go deeper into it, to give us comprehensive material. So in this case, I'm using Deep Research now. So let me just click on it. And now I want a comprehensive ebook content for me.
We don't have deep research on our own.
Okay, what do you have?
We have smart, deep, think deeper, study and learn and search.
No, you don't have deep research. That means,
Yes, sir.
is it up to date? Is your Windows up to date? Because
That was
I
also
feel
determined.
maybe if it's not up to date, that can be. But at the same time, it may be because I have the pro account on my system. That's why I'm having it. But you can use any of those ones. They will still
Okay,
work.
sir. Okay, sir.
So now I said create a comprehensive ebook content for me on how to use Microsoft what again? Microsoft like a pro, like that. And I'll just say send. And it's going to take its time to do the work and it will bring everything for me. So about that, before this laptop goes up, while this is working on its own, let me just introduce us to the 365 package. Now, this is the 365 right here. And with the 365, we have other things. We have designer that can create image from any description you give to it. And also we can explore more agents. And on this one, we can now create agents. The same way we normally create gem on Gemini, we can create agent here. It is called agent on 365. And the agent can now do the work for you. If you look at what I have here, I created this agent yesterday and it's called PowerPoint generator. So if I click on this PowerPoint generator, what I've asked it to do for me, what I've asked it to normally do anytime I click on it, what I've asked it to normally do anytime I click on it is that it should generate PowerPoint for me. I'll just feed it with a topic and then it will generate PowerPoint. Let me see what is coming. Sorry, okay. It's working on the one I had before. Let me start afresh. All right, so we have agents by the side here, the same way we normally have gem on Gemini. But I will teach us how to create these agents. And if I come here now and now say, can somebody give us a topic, please? What topic do you want it to give us PowerPoint on? Somebody should give us a topic, please. Can you hear me? Hello, are we together? Hello, please talk to me. Am I the only one in class?
Okay, let's
take that management of school culture.
Management of
school culture.
School culture. For teacher quality service delivery. Like that, right?
Yes.
So management. So if I just send it like this, it will understand that I want to create PowerPoint. And then it will start working on the slides. Look at it now. It's working on the slides now. Introduction, what is school culture, importance of school culture, element of a positive school culture, and so on. So it will go like that to click it for me. To now ask me a question. If you like, I can convert this into a full PowerPoint with design, visual, and formatting. You would like me to generate PowerPoint file? I'll just say yes. That's all I need to say and click it. And then it will generate PowerPoint for us. It is easier on 365 like this because the owner of PowerPoint, which happens to be Microsoft, is the owner of Copilot. So it is easier. And also there is this perfect synergy between the two applications. When I'm done exporting what I have done now, the difference between generating on this and generating on other ones that we have mentioned earlier is that when you generate here, it will and you take it to Office 365 Microsoft PowerPoint. It will understand it, then you can now use design idea on PowerPoint. I don't know if any of us have used design idea before. How many of us do you, if you have 365 accounts, please let me know. Drop it in the chat or just on your mic and let me know. So I can preview what it has generated. And if I'm not pleased with what it has generated, I can ask it to generate it. So I can preview it directly from here. So I'm not pleased with this. What I'll just do is regenerate. So I want it to add design theme, color scheme. If you like, I can add design theme, insert image icon and diagram, expand and shorten content, and then convert it to PDF. So I'll pick these three and then copy it and paste it here. So instead of saying shorten, I just want it to expand content, and then send it. So it's going to regenerate it. So it's generating it. It's adding the final touches. So who is trying it? Oh, sorry. Yeah, you may not have, if you don't have 365 accounts, you will not have access to this. So, but I just want to show us that this is somewhere lying there for for us to use if you have the privilege. But many institutions normally give their staff 365 accounts. So you can ask your institution for one if they have an account. But if not, you can just upgrade your normal standalone account to 365 package to have access to all these things. You can see that it has changed the color and the design. Everything looks nice now. I think I prefer this. This looks nice. Great. And now I have first generated visual. And now you have the first generated visual ready for your redesigned PowerPoint. Before I build the new enhanced presentation with Steam, color, and so on, I need one quick choice from you so that final deck matches your style. So which design theme you like? Modern blue, or you just pick any design you like. I think I like youthful, vibrant, school friendly. Now, traditional serif font, chalkboard accent, professional, dark. I don't want dark. Flat illustration team uses illustrations like generated images, good match current images, and then once you tell me your preference team, I'll build a fully redesigned PowerPoint, insert generated images, and so on. So let's pick this academic. So I'll just pick this one and paste it, and then it can completely generate our design for us. And then we'll have our PowerPoint. There is nothing we want to do to it again. But if you feel like modifying it further, this 365 package also allows you to edit further using what we call design idea on PowerPoint. How many of us have used design idea before? Hello? Hello?
Hello, go on.
How many of us have used design idea before?
I've not used it though.
Oh, okay, so this is what design idea looks like. Let me go. You can see my Microsoft is a 365 package. So now I have the design idea on my 365, and what design idea does is this. Let me just show us. If I click on this PowerPoint test, let's see. Okay, so I have a PowerPoint that I want to, okay, don't let me use this. Okay, let's know the difference between generating using other platform and using 365 package. If I want to edit further now and I click on this design idea right here, I have it here, but you may not have it on your computer unless you have 365 account. So if I click on this design idea, it's supposed to suggest different design ideas for me by the side here. So I have it, okay, but it has treated it as different as pictures. So you can see it now because it's a single picture. But if I have it as a text, it may not recognize it because I generated it from another source. So now let me use something I generated using 365. Is it this one? I generated something, anxiety, understanding, test anxiety. I think it's this one. Microsoft 365 designed this for me. Is it 365? Did I? No, we used Canva for this the other day. Gamma, sorry. See, let me just go and open it directly. Climate change updated with protein. So let me try this. This is it. So 365 generated this for me. Now, one beautiful thing about design idea is that it will redesign what you have. And then instead of you racking your brain on how can I make this decent and all, you just click on this design, and then it's going to give you different designs here that you can pick from. So I can keep this. I can decide to pick this one. I can decide to pick this one. All I just need to do is click once and it will import it. You can see now. And I can scroll down, let's say this one. If I like this one, I'll just click on it and it will insert it. So any design I pick, it's just a single click and then it will enter into my design. So like that. So I'll keep this one. And this second one, if this is okay by me, I'll keep it. If not, it's going to generate ideas for me from here. So I can pick any one that suits my needs. So if this looks nice, I can just click on it and then it will import it. It will insert it for me. So I will have that. So like that, you will not stress yourself at all to perfect your design. Like this one now that has different definitions and listings. So I can scroll down and pick any one that suits my whatever it is. Scroll like that, and when I like it, I just click it and it will be back in the design. So like that, you don't need to rack your brain. This is another one here. Look at what it has added here. This one here. If I were to just do the design from the beginning, I may not know where to get this from, but it has added it. And this fire effect that it has added is also there. So I can just scroll down to pick anyone. This is another one here using another color. I can scroll like that and pick anyone that I prefer. I think I like this, so I'll just click on it and it will add it. You can see it here. It's right there in my design. So like that, we can continue like that. That and many more are the things you can achieve if you are using 365. So let's go back to our design. Now we said the free version should give us this. Look at the tutorial that it has given us, the ebook, how to use Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro, PowerPoint Mastery, the comprehensive ebook for becoming a PowerPoint pro. So we scroll down, introduction. It has given us the introduction, and chapter 1. This is the chapter 1. This is how to use it. And then customization. We have the customization chapter 2, creating design slides. So this is using design, and also adding and formatting text, inserting and arranging slide, theme, template, and slide master. So we have that here. This slide master was what we used the other time to edit the static. So this is how to use it. It has generated this for me. So now after this lecture now, if I want to generate material for you that you can use to do all these things that we have been doing all this while, I can easily come here and ask it to generate it for me. It's going to give me a comprehensive ebook that I can easily share with everybody and we can use. So that is one beautiful thing about this Copilot. And you can see how comprehensive it is. So it will break everything down, typography and color theory. We have the color theory, accessibility, accessible color, and so on. Working with multimedia, images, audio, and videos, and screen recording, and data visualization. This is what many people are paying money for, to go and buy, to learn. So animation and transition has given me that. Also, chapter 8, advanced features, slide master, morph effect, and presentation view. Then we have the collaboration and sharing. Also, we have delivering presentation effectively, and then productivity hack, shortcuts, and add-ins. Look at it with wonderful table and properly placed where they are supposed to be. Look at this. So design checklist and slide review templates. We have the slide review templates, practical examples and exercise, and then your path to PowerPoint mastery. We have that too. So you can scroll down. We have all the shortcuts and so on, and the end of the ebook. And it's saying, great choice, Nestor. I'm starting the research to create a comprehensive ebook on mastering my PowerPoint from beginner basics to advanced pro level feature like slide master, morph, and so on. This will take me several minutes, so feel free to leave. I'll give, okay, so it added this when it was doing the work, but now I have it. And another beautiful thing about it is I can just click on edit in a page and it will activate Microsoft Word for me directly inside this Copilot. So I can now edit it to suit my need before I now download it or do whatever I want to do with it. So if I want to justify this now, it's aligned to the left. And if I want to justify it, I can just easily justification. Okay, no justification here, but I can add bullet. And if this is not satisfactory, I can click on ask, and then I will ask it to modify it the same way we normally prompt our Gemini to redefine things. So it will remodify what I have here and so on. I can make it bold. I can increase the size by just clicking here and pick any header size I want. And here I can add bullets to it and so on. These are many more are the things we can do with it. And when we are done, can now copy this and get it used and use it wherever we want to use it and send it to whoever we want to send it to. So look at this now. It has also added references. So that means you are creating a book that you did not pick up a pen to just think about and write. You did not take your time to go and even study anything at all. But now it has given you everything, even with references. So that means you are even also giving your people, your buyer, a reference list that they can also click and go and learn more. So they can click and go and find all these details. So they can click on them and get it. So this is a very rich material that you can sell to anybody and then you make your money online. So that's that about the free Copilot and many other things we can explore on our own. So you can also add file by clicking here and upload anything you want to upload, or just take a screenshot of anything and ask it to explain for you. So you can do that with this. And also, so instead of typing, you can also use the microphone function. So if I click on it now, I can just say whatever I want and it will type it for me.
Hey there, Nestor.
So if I'm okay, thank you very much. I'm tired of typing. I want you to do my typing for me.
Sure thing. Happy to take over from here and give your fingers a break. Just let me know what you need typed or what you've got on your mind, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so please, I want to ask Copilot, how to create Excel spreadsheet. It should give me a breakdown tutorial and all that. That is just what I want you to type for me. Thank you.
Absolutely, got it. Let's get that down. You'd like a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an Excel spreadsheet. No
Yes.
problem. All right. I'll put together a nice general overview for you then. No frills, just a straightforward guide to get you comfortable with Excel. And hey, if you need any other tips or specifics later on, just holler. So, anything else on your mind?
Nothing else. Thank you.
You got it. I'll get that tutorial typed up for you, and no worries at all. Just sit back and relax. Whenever you're ready to dive into Excel or anything else, we'll be here.
Thank you. Oh, how beautiful is that? Hello, are we together? So you can see how beautiful that is. So you can always use this Copilot to do so many things. I canceled it because I don't want to waste time. So you can use it to do so many things. You will achieve your results in no time. So this is a very powerful tool, and the fact that it's free, it is free, is applaudable. So that about that, the free version. And let's go and check the 365. Let's see the PowerPoint it has created for us. So it is here is the updated file of the PowerPoint. Manage school academic ready and how long will be present. Where is this my PowerPoint? This is the first one, and then it has given me one link here. Let me open it to see if that is what it has given me. But definitely it's going to give you the PowerPoint it will generate for you. Look at it now. Look at what it has generated. Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so look at what it has generated. Let me do the slideshow view, the full view. So this is what it has generated. Look at that. And then I can do next. Look at it. This is another one. Now the introduction, definition of school culture, impact on teaching quality, then leadership and communication. We have that. What is school culture? We have it here. So importance of school culture, we have it here. And then elements of positive school culture, and so on. So it can generate something like this. When we now download it and take it to PowerPoint and use our design idea, it can still now give us something better than this. These and many more are the things we can achieve using this package. Why I like paying for all these things is that it makes my life easier. 24 hours is no longer enough for me to do all these things, to do all the things I have. So I just let AI do so many things while I have other time to do my other things. And the amount I'm paying for all these things, they are not, and I can't quantify what I will use the time that it has given me to do. I cannot quantify it with the amount that I'm using to subscribe for all these things. So this is about Copilot. I just said we should touch it. This laptop will shut down now. So let me now switch over to Mac, and then we start from the beginning to do all other reviews. So do you have any question? Please let me know. Drop your questions, please.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
You're welcome. I have it now. You can go ahead. Any question, please?
So, I want to ask, how much are we paying for the 365 package?
Let me check. Let's check the internet together. I'll just let me check the amount. 365.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please. I'm with you, ma.
Yes. Okay. I want to also in addition to what my fellow colleagues said, maybe if it is expensive, can we share it among those that you are trained? The other time you said at times it's expensive or whether that we can share it if you buy the package.
That was for Google AI Pro account. I said if you are going to make the subscription for a year, it is 28,500 a month. And if you want to do 1 year package, it's going to be 300 and something thousand. And I said, I have this package with me, a bundle that I subscribed for, that I'm ready to give out to whoever is ready at 20,000 Naira for a year. So by so doing, you will be saving 300 and something thousand. So is that about that? If that's an answer to your question, ma. This 365 package right here, it's going for 71,999 Naira per year. And it's going to come with 1 terabyte cloud storage for one person, sign into 5 devices at once, use on PCs, Macs, phones, and tablets, 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage, productivity apps with Microsoft Copilot, higher usage than free for select Copilot features, use Copilot, and so on. So these are the things, the benefits that will come with it, and it will come at $799 per year. But another thing I normally do, but the issue now is the distance. I will have to go through the stress of setting up video tutorial on how to set it up if I create an account. So I can create an account. I normally set it up for people here in Ibadan for 25,000 naira for a lifetime package, 25,000. So that is what I normally do here. So once you have it for
So you
life.
said the lifetime package is how much?
25,000 naira.
Oh, really?
And this one is saying 71,000, let's say 72,000 naira a year. Now imagine that. And why another reason why it is important for you to have is that at times you will just wake up one morning and your hard disk will crash or whatever you have, and then you will lose all your files. But with 365 account on your laptop, once you have it set up properly, it will automatically sync your file to the cloud. So if you get another laptop, you just need to sign in with your login details, and then all your files will be back on the system. So that alone is not, you cannot quantify the amount you are paying. So about that. So we are not marketing for Microsoft. Let's jump into action. Let's close this. And then, all right, let me share my screen, Google Chrome, and use Sound and share. All right, so we said we should have a recap of everything we have done. And today, what I just want us to do here, the day before yesterday, we started how to create app, how to create our portal, and then we said how do we create the backend where we will get whatever they have done, their answers and their scores. How are we going to get that? How to create the sheets that we are going to use to get that? We'll do that today by God's grace, so that we will know that when we are done with the class, you can easily go create your portal, give your students questions to answer, and then thank me later. All right.
Thank
so
you.
so we are done ChatGPT. Do we have anything we are missing on ChatGPT, or we should just move on Gemini and see how we can create gems and all? No, as just
Let's
flash.
learn how we can create gems on Gemini.
So now we want to use Gemini. You just type to use Gemini, just type gemini.google.com and enter, and it's going to load it for you. So it will bring you on this page. Currently, I'm using the Pro version, and with the Pro version, you have access to so many things. You can prompt it as many times as you want and get your result. So if we come here now, if you want to create gem, let me just take us through everything all over again. So this plus right here, this plus what it's for is to upload files, is to add, you can also add from your drive, you can upload photos, you can import code, and at the same time, you can use Notebook LM. So
Your
you
screen
can,
is not showing, sir.
oh, okay. Let me check what I'm sharing. Oh, sorry about that. I did not share the entire desktop. Can you see it
Yes,
now?
Sir.
yes.
All right. So I said then
Yes.
to use Gemini, you type gemini.google.com. And when you type gemini.google.com, you can now have access to this page. When you get on this page, you will not see all these charts. I have all these charts here because I've been using Gemini for a while. So everything I've done, I have them here. And I also said, if you want to use any application, you have the back end and the front end of it. The back end defines what is going to happen in the front end. By the back end, I mean the settings that you do that will now affect what you are going to use, that will determine what you are going to use in the front end of the application. So if you want to go to the back end on Gemini, you just click on your name. Sorry, let me drag this off. Okay. You can click on this setting right here, and then you will come here. So you can now click on personal text. You will have that set up. Your activities, you set it up. Connected apps, you set it up. Schedule action, you set it up. Your public links, you set it up, and so on. I will try the best I can to give us material to use. But the videos of the other ones that we have done, I'll make the videos available also at the end of the class, so that we can catch up with it. So we can do the settings and all. We'll see it in the tutorial, the videos that we are going to share. All right, the front end right here, we have this plus here. With the plus, you can upload your file. You can add from the drive. By drive, we mean the Google Drive. So everything you work on that you have saved on your Google Drive, you can now query those things from here. By clicking add from drive, you can add it and then use it. You can add photos, you can import code, you can now bring your Notebook LM right here to use. Also, you have the tools here. Remember that day I said we have the LLM, the large language models, and then we now have tools inside the large language models. The large language models are Gemini, ChatGPT, and ones that we have around, Claude, DeepSeek, and so on that we have around. Then we now have tools inside of them that will enhance our productivity. So now if you click on the tool now, you will have do better. So now we have deep research. I can use my deep research. On the pro version, I can use deep research as many times as I want. But if you're using the free version, there is going to be limit to it. And also I can create video. I can use Google View on the pro version. Google View is to create video, to a cinematic video that you can share with people. Let me see if I can access my flow on this. Just to show you the kind of video I'm talking about. Many of us normally pay for this kind of videos, but you can get them done if you have the pro account and then you have the Google thing to use. So am I doing using flow? I want to see if I have my, maybe I did not use this account, maybe I used the other account of flow, and now everything has even changed fully. That's fine. Let me do Google Flow AI View 3. Okay, I want to use Flow. Oh, this is the application we use to generate video. And inside of this flow, that is where you are going to see, these are the ones generated before. Imagine hippopotamus advertising laptop. So if I click on this now, you will see what I'm talking about. So you can just imagine anything, and then
We are not seeing anything, sir. Maybe from your hand, you have a network issue.
Oh, what can you see? You cannot see anything on your screen. You cannot see my screen, or you are not seeing anything.
No, I can see. I can see. I can see your screen, but what you are explaining, I don't know whether other people still facing the same.
Please,
But I saw this.
Is there any
What
other
showed
person?
was Nano Banana now. Nano Banana and some videos showed.
Okay, you can
You're
see.
trying to
I
open
see
one.
it too.
So it must be your network, Alaja. So you can exit and come back in.
Okay.
So I'm not ready to just do the design. I just want us to see what we can achieve. Let me see. Okay, so for example, this one right here, let me use this one. I expect it to load the video for me. Okay, so this is the video right here. Look at what it has generated.
Why are hippos selling laptops?
So you can achieve something like this when you use the view. This is another one. What's wrong with my sound?
Of your current laptop freezing faster than a sachet water in the freezer. Of your current laptop.
And also you can have this.
People tired of your current laptop freezing faster than a sachet water in the freezer.
No, all the people you see here, they are AI images. So if I play,
people tired of your current laptop freezing faster than a sachet water in the freezer.
So you can use it to generate as many as you want. These are the things I have done. I use this to create an advert for our brand, and it's moving fine. So that is what we use Google View for.
Sorry, what kind of prompt did you give it to generate this?
What I just did was I went on Gemini and I asked Gemini to give me a prompt that I want to do advert for a laptop selling complaint, and at the same time I want hippopotamus to do the advert. So it gave me the prompts to use, and I took it on Google View to get that done.
Sorry, say it again.
I said I went on Gemini. I told Gemini that I wanted to create an advert for a company that sells laptop, and I want hippopotamus to handle the advert. So I asked it to give me a prompt for it. So it gave me a prompt that I could use on Google View. So I took the prompt to Google View and generated it.
Sir, is it only applicable to the pro version or any version?
Yes. No. So now we can also create image using Nano Banana, and also this is new actually. Maybe they just added this yesterday or the day before yesterday. So create music. Now we can create music using Gemini. This is new. So we can click on this to create music, and also Canvas and guided learning. By guided learning, it's going to guide us on how to go with things. So we have that there, and also by this side, you can now define the kind of model you want to use. If it's going to be fast, You click on fast, it means it's going to give you a response quickly. And if you click on thinking, it will take its time to think and search the web and all to give you. And if it's more complex, you can do Pro if you have the Pro account, and it's going to use Pro to search for the information for you. And that is about that on Gemini. So let's now touch on gems. So to create gem, we said Gemini now, if you want to prompt any of your models, what is advisable is you must follow the procedure. The first one is introduce yourself to Gemini, then tell Gemini what you want it to do for you and how you would like it to help. So you have to follow all these steps and the kind of results you are expecting. So you have to follow all these steps to get the right thing out of any of the models that you are using. But instead of coming every time, for example, today now you want to work on mathematics, you say, and you assume this role as mathematics teacher and can you like so. But maybe later in the evening, you want to do English again, you start all over and say, act like this and that. And tomorrow you want to do physics, you are saying the same thing. But instead of that, since these are the things you do often, you can now create gem for each of them, so that you will know that when you want to work on mathematics, you just click on mathematics and then you have to do it to understand that that is what you want to do, and it will jump into action immediately. And if you also want to work on English, you do the same. If you want to work on a research work, you will create a gem that can work on research for you. So how do we now create the gem? So you click on this gem that we have here. Gem is available on the free version, but the deep research option, you will have limited option to use when you are using the deep research on the free version. So now we said that there is another one that we have here that is also new to gem, the new gem, that they have incorporated Opal into it for those that attended the class. So what Opal does is it automates your work. If you want to create video, you want your app to be creating video for you once you input topic. So it will connect, it will create the network and connect. That is what Opal is for. That is what this gem by Lab is for. But when we now scroll down, if you want to create any, you just say create new gem. These are the ones that are created. And now if we scroll down, this is the gem we want to create. And these are the gems that are created before that we have used. So if you want to create a new gem, you just click here to say new gem. So somebody should tell us what we should create a gem on. Please, let's make it interactive. This is the last day.
Let's create a gem on social media marketer.
So let's say social media marketer. And what do we want our gem to always do for us?
To run ads and that is sell our products and run ads for help us create a content that we use for ad. So the products are teaching and learning aids.
Create content that I can use for social media marketing, selling content that I can use for social media marketing. Immediately I input a topic. Pay attention to details in your content creation. Study the market, go online and study the market before creating the content. So something like that. This is what has come to my head now, but we can have more. You can see that what we have typed is not meaningful like that. But if you want it to be meaningful now, you just click on this pencil that we have here, and it's going to rewrite it for us. AI will rewrite it for us. So let's click on it, and it's going to generate a comprehensive one for us. Even the things we did not remember to put, it's going to put it. So let's check now. Let's check what it has generated. It says purpose and goal. Create high-converting social media content for various platforms. Instagram, TikTok. We did not mention all this. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, etc. based on user-provided topic. Then perform real-time market research and trend analysis to ensure content is relevant and timely. So now generate detailed platform-specific copy, including captions, hooks, and call to actions, behavior and rules. research phase. Upon receiving a topic, use search tools to identify current market trends, audience pain points, and viral content related to the topic. Analyze top performing posts in the niche to determine the most effective tone and structure. This is fantastic. So content creation. For every topic, provide 3 distinct content options, e.g. education, entertaining, and promotion. B. Include platform-specific formatting. Suggest relevant hashtags, mention optimal posting times, and describe visual concepts, e.g. reel transitions or carousel slide ideas. And pay close attention to details like the hook, the first sentence to ensure high engagement. Then interaction. Start by asking the user which social media platform they are targeting and so on. Ensure all copy is persuasive and ready for immediate use. Now, overall tone, professional, creative, result-oriented, use persuasive marketing language and sound human, and so on. So look at what it has generated. Is this compared to what we typed? And well, can you see the difference?
Yeah,
Okay.
a
So
huge difference.
so this is what it can do for us. We may not even think in that line, but it has done it for us. And now we can give it a description so that we will know and do the research immediately I type a topic like that, anything like that. So it's going to add it here. So I'll just scroll down, and now you can do default to if there is a specific tool you want it to use. If I want it to normally use deep research, I will have this access now if I'm using the pro version. So I can ask it to always do deep research, to go deeper, do more findings online before it will come and give me the answer. So I can activate this. And if I don't want it, I'll just let it be the normal one. So I'll just keep it normal for the benefit of all of us that we are using free version. And now the knowledge base, I can ask it to also get information from anywhere. If it's a notebook element that I've created and so on, I can do that. But we'll just keep it simple like this and just click on save. So when we click save, it's going to create social media marketer gem for us and ask us to start chat. So I'll start my chat. So what do you want us to write on? Hello, are we together?
We are
The
together.
important. Are you asking us to give you a chat? Asking me to give you?
We want to create something now to advertise, to create content for us on. What do we want to sell?
Activity book for preschoolers.
Activity
So numeracy activity book for preschoolers.
for preschoolers. And it will also do well if we upload a copy of the book, but let's go with what we have. Schoolers activity. You said something activity numeracy.
Numeracy activity.
Okay, numeracy activity book for preschoolers, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I can do fast and I can do thinking. I can do pro, anyone I want. So if I do thinking, we should know that by now. It means it's going to go deeper to give us what we want. But let's just do fast for the sake of this class and click on send. And then it's going to give it to us. Now we have it. I'm ready to dive into these numeracy activities on book and so on. So it's now saying to ensure this content hits the market and actually convert, I need to narrow down the strategy. Before I head into research and content creation, please, could you clarify which social media platform are we prioritizing? So which social platform?
Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
So we should pick Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And also, who is the primary audience? Homeschooling parents looking for resources, busy parents needing quiet time activities, or preschool teachers looking for classroom supplement. Which one?
Can't we use one of them?
The audience. Okay, let's just use one of them.
Because
Let's use preschool classroom.
Let's do the Instagram now.
No, I've done that. It's now saying who is the primary audience. So we are using preschool teachers looking
Okay,
for.
parents and educators, early childhood educators.
Oh, so now homeschooling parents looking for resources. Busy parents
Yes.
needing. Let's just do
Yes.
for resources. So let me copy this. So I'll just do this will be one, and then I'll hold my shift and do enter, and then put two, and paste the second one. Answer to the second one, and let's see any other thing that it has there. It also says once you give me those two details, I will identify current vital trends, and then analyze what the competition is doing, draft 3 distinct content piece. Would you like me to start with Instagram? I've listed this, so let's just click it and see what it's going to give us. So now we have it. It says, based on 2026 market trend, homeschooling parents are increasingly moving away from busy work and towards multi-sensory lower prep resources. The primary pain point right now is decision fatigue. Parents want one resource and so on. So now we have it. Option 1, the educational how-to, best for Instagram and Facebook. Focus. Position yourself as the expert who makes their life easier. Visual concept, a carousel. Slide 1 is a bright photo of a child using the book with a messy but fun math manipulation and so on. So what this that it has now given us, you can now also prompt your Gemini further and ask it to create all these things for you. That's the beautiful thing about it. So you can say, so the hook, it has given us a hook. Stop searching for preschool math idea on Pinterest. I've done the work for you. The body, most numeracy books just ask kids to trace numbers, but at age 3 to 5, their brain needs to fill the numbers. So you do slide 1, why number sense beats like that. So we have that, the first one, we have the second one, we have the third one. It has generated that for us. So now strategy for 2026 on TikTok, use the photo mode feature for a digital flip through of the book. Parents love to see exactly what they are buying before they click. Would you like me to generate a 5-day launch week calendar specifically for this post? So it can also generate that for you. If you want it, you just say yes, and it will do that. So this will be your companion when you want your content.
Sorry, I want to ask you, is it possible for me to get a photo of the product and then combine it with AI image? Let's say like this book, I have a physical book that I sell, and then I want an AI image to hold the book, maybe upload the photo, and then is there a way of AI combine, how do I put it? That is an AI image holding that photo that I would have uploaded. Do you understand me? Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Can you hear me?
I did not get your question. Please come again.
Okay, what I was saying is let's assume you have a physical textbook, numeracy textbook, but you want an image where an AI image is holding the book. You can't hear me. Hello?
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 I can hear you now.
I was saying that is it possible for one to upload an image and then combine it with an AI holding that book based on the recommendation it is giving us?
Please, your network there is somehow.
Is breaking.
Hello? Yeah. Okay,
Hello?
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
I was asking if we can upload an image.
Okay.
Let's say a graphic designs that book for me,
Okay.
and then combine it with an AI image holding it now. Let's say I want a teacher or a baby, an AI baby or image to hold the book. Then I get the book, the picture, and upload it online. Is it possible to combine both?
Definitely. So let's try that.
Okay.
Let's just do something in that line. Let me say Gemini, and let's say this is the book. The book we want to upload file. Do I have any book here? So let's just assume that this is the book. Sorry, I want picture. I think we did something. Do I have any picture here? Sorry, I'm looking for a picture that we can use as an example. I don't have any picture here. Okay, let's do it like this. And what's the topic again? Generate. Hello.
Numeracy.
Create a cover page for a book on numeracy activities. Please tell me.
Numeracy activity for preschoolers.
For preschoolers, like that. So we'll now pick Nano Banana, create image, and then click on it so that it will generate that for us. So we have this one now right here. It has generated. So let's now download this image and just imagine that it is not what is it called? It is not Gemini that generated it for us. Let's do something new and say let's upload the image right here. Upload the image. Where's that image again? This is the image we just downloaded now. This is the image. So I can upload the image and now say generate an advert image of a person, African, holding this book.
I think you should include toddler because it's toddler's book, a Black African
No,
toddler.
we just want to be sure that it can happen.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
just holding this book and talking to people about it like that. And let's now pick our Nano Banana.
Hello,
Send
sir.
it.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, please. I'm with you.
What is the prompt you typed there now? What is the prompt that you're asking after the picture? What
I
is the
said
prompt that
I said generate an advert image. Look at it now. You can see that we
Okay.
have it. So it depends on the way you can prompt it. So you know what you want in your mind. Prompt it anyhow you
Okay.
want, you will have it. No, we generated
Okay.
this image and it has used the image. So let me scroll back up to be sure. That is it. It's used the right image. So you can ask the person to even raise it up like that or put it on the head or pack and a stack of it like that. Then
Wow.
you will have the image and you can now use whatever you want to use it for.
Okay.
But yeah, and if you want to do promotion like that, you have to go for the pro version because you have to keep prompting here and there to achieve your results. But you will get stuck when it stops accepting your prompting if it's on free version. So that is that about that. We have this now. We have any question on Gemini again? We have taught Gem, we have taught image creation. We told us that it can generate video for us and some other things. Any other thing you would like to know? Are we
Since it's
together?
something we don't know,
Maybe
we don't
apps.
really know most of
Apps.
the things it
Okay.
can do. That's for me.
You
I
said?
don't know. I said, as you are asking if there is any other thing we want to learn, my response is, I don't even know the things that it can do. But since you are the participant and you're conversant with all the tools and everything it can do, you can still tell us whatever. You know
Okay.
the beneficial. I don't know if you got me.
Yes, I got you. So that means you did not join. You did not join us when we were doing this.
I did.
Okay. All right. No problem. So the next thing I think we should touch on Gemini is how to now create the portal that Dr. Adeboyega asked earlier. So how do we create that portal? So to do that, we'll click on new chat right here, and then we'll ask, you can upload any material that you wanted to generate question on. But in this case, I don't have any material on this MacBook, so I'll just do generate 50 objective questions and 4 answers for me. Bold the right answer, something like that, and just send it. So I can do deep research for it to go deeper. Okay, on what topic? Somebody should give us a topic we should ask question on. Give us a topic, please. Nigeria electoral system. Nigeria electoral system and whatever. So just do send, and then it's going to create the 50 questions. So now, and we said whenever we want to do this, we should, what are the steps? Somebody should remind us. Dr. Adeboyega, what are the steps? If you want it to create something for us that we want to use it to create portal, what are the steps?
Sir,
Dr.
I said,
Adeboyega.
hello, sir. Yes, I'm
Okay,
with you,
I'm with
sir.
you.
I
Okay.
said at that particular day, I was unable to get it because the network in my place is not okay. I told you.
Oh,
I said,
okay. Who was with us when we treated this topic? Dr. Matilda, I think you were with us.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I said, what are the steps if we want to continue now to create the portal? What are the steps?
In creating a portal.
Yes, please. A portal that will have all these 50 questions that we want that we can now send to our students to work with.
That was the one you thought. Was it yesterday you thought that? Huh? No. I wasn't there when you taught portal.
We did it on Monday.
On Monday? No, I didn't attend Monday class.
Oh, okay.
I didn't attend Monday class.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
I wasn't. So I joined you.
So this is how to go about it. You type the question. Let me start from the beginning. Let's pick a new one. So you type the question and paste it. And type the question and then make sure you select canvas. Why we normally select canvas is that if you select canvas and you have the result, you will be able to edit it directly inside Gemini. And at the same time, you can now modify it for that to do other things using canvas. So make sure you select canvas and you can do fast or pro or anyone you want and then click on search. So it's going to activate canvas for us that will allow us to do other things that we want to do. So instead of just having your result as something you can copy, you can see now it has activated canvas for us. This is what we call canvas. I can edit what is giving me now. I can edit it directly inside Gemini. So let's wait for it to be done with all the questions. It's generating the questions. Okay, now we have all the 50 questions. And if I want to edit anything, I can just come here and say comprehensive quiz, the Nigeria electoral system. If I now do this document contains 50 objective questions related to history, I can just select this part. I can select this part and delete it. As simple as that. And if I want it back, I can do Ctrl-Z to bring it back. It's just like you working on Microsoft Word. And also, if I just want to select it like this and I want to edit it further, I can select like that and come here and then I can add bullets. I can make it bold. I can increase the font size. This is it. I can increase the font size like that. You can see what I have and so on. But if I want to cancel it, I'll just do reset. So I can do all these things on Gemini, directly inside Gemini. But where we are going is that this place, you click on create and click on web page. So when I click on web page now, it's going to convert everything I have here to a complete web page for us. So let's try that. If I click on it now, it will start working on it. It will start writing code. It will start writing code for us. So let's give it some time to be done and pay attention to this page. You can see it says ask Gemini 3. That is what it's giving me now. But when it's done giving us what we want, it will ask me that, okay, let's develop together, let's create together. That is what is going to be there for us to work with. So let's just wait for it to be done with this. Do we have any question? Any question, please? Any question?
No, I'm getting it, sir.
Oh, okay.
There is no problem. Thank you, sir.
Even if we are not going to touch what we are supposed to touch today, I want us to get that, because Dr. Adeboyega also asked about how to create form and all. So once we get this and we get that of how to create form, we have achieved something. Are we practicing it? So you can see it's giving me the code. And the beautiful thing about it is that it will now look at the content and then use it to generate the right colors to use. I'm definitely sure that since it's Nigeria, we'll see green in the color it's going to use for the design. These are the 50 questions. And now it's beautifying it. Oh, let's give it time to finish. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry, I did not hold my mic. I said the format, that other one that we're doing, normally the code was supposed to be running. Let me go back to that account. Now, this code is supposed to be running here so that we can see the results in real time. But it's running on this side. I think it's because I think they are doing major updates. I want to confirm now, but I did one thing yesterday. I linked this personal account, this account that we're working on. I linked it to Firebase. So that may be affecting it. So I'm using another account now to get it done.
So please, where are we going to see that code?
This is the code. Normally the code is supposed to be running here and then give us the preview directly from here. But I want to be sure that it's not a major update that has come on this package. So let me click on this now. Let's try it on this account now and do web page.
So sorry, sir. I'm asking where we can give that prompt that will now convert it to that code.
No, you just once you ask for anything you want to create, it's going to create it for you. And when it's done to create all the questions, when it's done creating all the questions, you see this option here that says create. So this is working now. This is exactly what we are supposed to have on that account. I'm having issue with that account because I linked it to Firebase. Now you can see the code now. Okay. It's running the code now. So once it's done with the code, we can now preview our design here. Instead of the code to run here, the other one was running by the side.
By the side, yes.
So let's wait for it to be over with. So you can see, look at how lengthy the code is. it will continue writing it like that. It's imputing all the questions, all the 50 questions are there now, and every other designs that it wants to do. So if you look at this place now, it's saying ask Gemini 3. But when it's done, it's going to ask me that, okay, let's build together. So asking me that we should do the building together. So it's done. Now look at what it's giving us. Remember I said it's going to use green. So now we have it saying Nigeria Electoral Guide, dashboard, study mode, and so on. And then if you scroll down, start studying. So I can click on it to start studying.
Hello, sir.
Somebody's, all right, let me just. So now look at what it has created, understanding the system. Welcome to Nigeria. So you can start studying. When you click on this now, it will now take you to those questions. But these are not what I want. This is not the way I want it. So now to correct this and make it a portal, so all you need to do now is come to this side here. Click here and say, I want an examination portal. This is what they call vibe coding.
It's not showing, sir. Your screen is just, yes.
Can you see it now?
You can ask that.
Who can see my screen? Can anyone see my screen?
It's your screen, but it's not what you are typing is not there.
Hey, can anyone see what I'm typing?
Yes, I can see it.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Oh, okay. So sorry. I said, look at the bottom part. That is where I'm typing by the left. You wanted to say something?
Yes. I'm still confused in a place. After using that canvas to set that question, where exactly are we going to click under that create for it to generate that?
No, you will just click on create, and it's going to give you option. Select web page.
There'll be option of a web page, infograph, and quiz, and so on. Which one am I going to pick?
Web page.
Okay.
So now we say I want an examination portal. Use the 50 questions to create an examination portal for me. For me to examine my students. The portal should collect emails, phone number, what else? Matric number, department, and what else? Department and level, and the level of the student, like that. So this is what I want it to create. So if I now click on create now, so it's going to start, it will redesign everything. So I want you to create a clean examination portal. So just send, and it's going to start it. You can see it's refreshing it now. It will start writing the code. So if you want to see the code, you just click on this code part. It's going to show you how it's writing the code. Any question, please, while the code is coming on? Any question?
Yes, sir. I've tried it. It appear on the left hand side the way it appeared the first time.
Oh, okay. So if that is it, then close it and start again.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, I'm with you. I can hear you.
Okay, yes, I started again because of my system. So I'm on create. So I have to click web page, or which one?
Web page, please.
Okay, it's running now, because the first many times I try it, it was showing at the left, but now it has moved to the right now.
The normal place. Oh,
yes.
Okay. It is possible they are adding some things at the back end, so that is why it's malfunctioning like that. But whenever you see that,
it's
just retry it.
Okay, it's ask Gemini 3. That was asking. There's a box after I create a web page. It's asking me one question. What should I type?
I don't know what you mean. Can you share your screen? Let me stop. Share your screen.
Am I going to describe my own? Let me. I think it is from their own end. It's fluctuating, but I'm still running back.
Okay.
It's fluctuating. Yes.
Is it working now?
It's still running. Maybe it's from their own end, yeah.
Just give it time. It will normalize itself. So this is still not this account. Sorry, Let me switch back to the account. Running the code. It's done running the code. Let's now click on preview. Now look at what it has given us. So this is it now. With the prompt I gave it, look at what it has created. Now it is now on student examination entry. Please provide your valid credentials to begin the CBT session. Look at this. How beautiful is this? And now I can just put my name. I can say my name is Tunde, and then my email is this, and then my matric number is 2345, and my phone number is 08102415742. And then my department, I can pick any department. Let me just say Department of Law, and my level is 500, like that. And when I'm done, I'll just click on anticipate and start exam. Now the exam has started and the time is counting right here. So I can have questions and then I have the answer. What is the full meaning of the acronym INEC? Independent National Electoral Commission. So I'll just pick B and then I'll go again. I'll go to the next one. And also I can skip questions. I can pick any one that I want to answer. And when I'm done, I'll just click on final submission and then submit exam. And I will just score 1 out of whatever it is, like that. So now competency breakdown, INEC history, and like that. This chart visualizes your performance across different sections of the Nigerian electoral laws. So this is it, 1/50, candidates failed, and then time spent, 32 seconds. Examination successful. So this is a complete portal.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Please.
Sir. But in addition to this, sir, how is it going to send? How is the link going to send to the student for them to do it if they are writing I suppose they are writing the exam or test? How are they going to get the link?
If you want to send the link to them,
probably they may want to do it through their phone.
So if you want them to do it through their phone, you just click on share and then share the questions.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm on the code. The code is just coming up now because maybe so after that, it's by the left side is showing let's write or build together. What prompt am I going to type?
So that's where you can now define what you want. If there's a specific thing you want it to add, you put it there. In my case, I just said I want an examination portal. Use the 50 questions to create a clean examination portal. So a clean examination portal for me to examine my students. The portal should collect emails, phone number, matric number, department, and level. Okay, let me just copy this and send it to you. Let me send it to the chat so that whoever wants to use the prompt can use it. You just put it where let's build together. Just put it there, and it's going to convert it to what I have here. So now, sir, Mr. and Dr. Adeboyega. Now another thing that you must do before giving this to your student to do exam is that is why I don't want you to design it using this. I just want to show us that Gemini can do it. That's why I've said we should be advanced class. I want us to use another application for it, and the application is called Google AI Studio. The advantage of that is that it is going to be an app on its own. It will not give them access to AI to answer your questions. Do you understand it now?
Hello, sir.
Are we together? Did you get me?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, so now when we are done with this, we are going straight to Google AI Studio to create something like this and then see how we can deploy it as an app. And you can now share the application with whoever you want to share it with. So it will come as an application, not as something that they will use inside an AI model.
It's okay.
Let's just practice this.
With it now, if I still send this, they
can attend to it, but the disadvantage is that they have access to, they can easily manipulate somehow. But they say it is the same way. Even if you send Google Form out to them, you cannot just monitor them like that. But at the same time, you can just try this out in your class. Once you enter the class, you just tell them you have a test today. I'm sharing a link with you. I'm here to supervise. Now start. We have just 10 minutes, so they can bring out their phones, answer your questions and all, and they will submit. They will get their rating immediately.
Hello, sir.
So, yes, please. I'm with you, ma.
Okay, so I'm at it has shown me the dashboard. That is my web page. So I've inserted the prompt. What else am I going to do? After
let's write or build together that side. Just copy what I dropped in the chat now and put it there.
I've typed it. I've inserted it.
Okay, so what do you now have?
So what next? After I inserted the prompt and I show code preview. Okay, I should enter. I should submit.
Click send. Submit it.
Okay. Okay.
So now it will recode the whole thing for you.
Okay.
No, you should have something like this. When you are done, you should have something like this where students can register before they get in. And another thing we are going to touch today is their registration. We want to be able to collect this registration. We want to be able to get their names, get their email address, get the matric number, get their phone number, get the department and level. And at the same time, we want to see their scores.
It's generating, how do we
get that? So when we are done with this now, we are moving straight forward to Google AI Studio. Dr. Nura, are you there? Dr. Nura, I think he's not with us. Maybe he's busy. And we went this far. Okay, I wanted to say we went this far.
Hello, sir.
Have you all these that we are doing? Are they useful?
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
I said all these things that we are doing, are they useful? Do you find them useful?
No. Yes, sir, they are very useful, sir. In fact, in our institution, we have this subscription with Microsoft. So we have an automatic 365 account.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Now,
yes, sir.
now you will see the beauty.
So this thing that you have shown, actually, it will really help me.
Alhamdulillah, that's fine.
Hello, sir.
I'm happy to hear that.
Hello, sir. For Mr. Dr. Nura is my Oga. So I'm the one that invited him. So he's our big Oga. So he's from Katsina, so you can see how powerful he is. So don't.
And Dr. Nura, when will you invite me to Katsina to come and have sightseeing? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
We can hear you now. Well, initially we don't hear you.
So I'm asking Dr. Nura, and when are you inviting me to Katsina to come and taste your food?
No, sir, I'm living in Zaria now, sir. I'm in Zaria.
You are in Zaria now? Okay. When should I come?
Yes, sir.
When should I come to Zaria?
Then anytime, sir, you're free. Anytime you come to Zaria, just call me, sir. You will be hosted, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Hello, sir. Should I click preview after?
If it's done, you click on preview. You should get what I have here. So another thing I think we can now do is if we want to make it personal, you can see it is electoral exam portal. We don't want it to be electoral exam portal. We want to change the name to, I want to change my own personally to TAM Infotech Limited Exam Portal, like that. Change the logo and name to TAM Infotech Limited Exam Portal, and then I want the color to be, instead of ordinary green, exam portal, change the color to green and yellow. So like that, just send, and then it will start coding it again. Now look at what it has given me. Now we have TAM. It has used TAM as the logo, and then Infotech Limited Exam Portal. And this is nice, and the color, it has added yellow and also green. You can see. Now the branding, powered by TAM Infotech Exam System, and then time, 45 minutes strict countdown, auto submit at 0. So plagiarism or external help will void the session. So that's a good one.
Hello, sir.
So, yes, please, I'm with you, ma.
I think I can do it now, but because I'm still having issue, maybe from their own side. Because when I click preview, it hasn't show. But I understand what I can try it on my own.
No, if you click preview and it's not showing, it means it's still coding. It is not.
It show, okay, sir. It has come up. It shows student registration, full name, email, phone number, matric number, department, and begin examination. What should I do now?
So if you want to take the exam, if you want to test if it's working, fill in the details and click start examination. Just fill in the details as a student and start examination. So now this is what I have now, and it's saying 45 minutes, but now I want to change the exam time to 30 minutes. So these and many more are the things you can do. You just come here and tell it what you want until you are satisfied with the design, And when you are satisfied, you are good to go. You can share it with whoever you want to share it with. Now to share this, you just click on share right here and say share. So now you can copy the link and then share it to whoever you want to share it with. So in this case, I'll just drop it on Telegram for us. If you want to check it later, we can check it. Let me see Telegram on this laptop. So I'll just drop it on Telegram. So now we have it on Telegram, so we can play with. And also we can make it a quiz. If you don't want to, also if you want to use it to train your students, you can as well. For example, if you are teaching history now, if you are teaching them history, you can use this as a quiz. Instead of having it as a question, you can set it as a quiz and then you send it to them. They will play with it like game to learn. So these and many more. It's not, now I can teach you how to use all these tools. I cannot teach you how to be creative. You just have to think of what you can do. Yes, please, I'm with you, man.
Hello, sir. Okay, so it has showed the portal. The answer is at the one side, 1 to 50. Time remaining, 19 is counting. So it's asking that I should start it, and next question, I should submit the paper.
Okay, so that is it. So you can achieve it, and you can now think of what is missing, what you want to add, what you want to remove, and so on, and come back to the left side and add it. Then it's going to give it to you. So you can do that at your own leisure. So let's now move on. Let's go to AI Studio, Google AI Studio, so that we can see how we'll do it and deploy it as an application that we can share with people to use.
Now, we can't share it to any student to do it, because at times we normally see this question or see it.
You can share it, but I don't want you to share this one because I want it to look professional. Because if you share this one now, this will come with Google Gemini, and they will know it is AI generated. But now I want us to create another one that will come as the normal URL that comes from Google that will go to them directly. That is what we want to do now.
Thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. But you can use this to create quiz to send to your students to play with to achieve the result. But we did this, the intermediate, those that did the intermediate and did not join this class, they will miss this one. So let's go to the next one. So where we want to go now is Google AI Studio. To get on AI Studio, you will type aistudio.google.com. aistudio.google.com. Are we together, please? Hello? If you are with me, say hi.
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 Okay. If you are not with me, say Neil. The eyes have it. So now let's go to Google AI Studio. So this is what you are going to have if you have created the account. So it will ask you to create an account. No, since you are using Google Chrome, it should give you access. So once you get on this page, let me know, please, so that we can move on. Let me give you 10 minutes to get that done. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Is that okay by us? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right. So in the next 10 minutes, please.
When you apply scientific method, one solving problem, then making what we call research. The use of the application of scientific methods to solve problems. One thing I want us to first note here is that there cannot be a research without the problem. So basically, research is meant to solve problems.
Well, welcome back. Are we ready?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Please let me call Nora to join. Yes, sir.
Maybe he's busy. Let me just check. It's the same number he registered with, Abby.
Hello, we can't hear you, sir. Afternoon, how are you?
We are waiting for others to join. Okay, maybe we should just start. Alaja Shitu.
I thought you want to call him.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you wanted to. So I'm asking, is it the same number you registered with?
Yes, sir.
Let me check the number. The one that ends with 24.
Hello, sir.
Is it the one that ends with 24?
Let me confirm more because I don't put his number. Okay, let me check again. I'm checking it on my laptop.
It's saying he's on another call.
Okay, 724. It's not that one. 080 36 82
yes,
37 24.
Yes. So he said he's on another call.
He will join us.
Okay, so let's proceed.
I will send chat to him.
Okay. Now that we are here, I think we should all be on this page now. So Alaja, do you have this page?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Adeboyega, do you have this page?
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right, so fine. Now we have different options here. This application, this model is very, very powerful, very powerful. When I say powerful, it is very powerful. So if you click on home, it's going to bring you here. You are on this home. But if you are launching it for the first time, you may see some other things that will ask you to do settings. Now, if you now click on this playground, they see it as where you can play with all the tools that they are working on. So if you click on this playground now, you can do code, you can write code, build chatbots, agents, and code with Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Flash. You can do that. That will create agents, bots that will do some things for you. Also here, you can do image generation. Nano Banana is integrated into this. And also you can do video creation. 3.1 VO is also integrated into this, but you have to be on the Pro package to use all these ones. And also you have the text to speech. You can use this text to speech. Normally, if you are a content creator, quite unfortunate, Dr. Matilda is out. I don't know why she's not in this meeting, but I think she's in that line for her to have raised the marketing, the social media marketing thing earlier. All right, since she's not here, let's proceed. So now this text to speech, what we normally use this for, if you want to create a faceless Facebook and YouTube content, you can ask Gemini, or it's advisable you use ask Copilot to write the script for you, or use Claude to write the script for you. Once you have the script, you can now copy the script and come here under text to speech. Once you click on it, you can paste the text. You can pick any of the ones you want to use here, paste the text there, and it's going to convert it into speech for you. So you have it like that. So that you can have. And also we have the real time. This real time is the same thing we used on Copilot earlier, which taught us how to use things. This also has it. So if I click on real time now, and to ask me the flash I want to use, and click on it, and then it will go and talk to Gemini live. And the beautiful thing about this one is that if you travel, if you are out of Ibadan, for example, if I leave Ibadan now, and I try to visit Dr. Nora in Zaria, and then I get lost in traffic or whatever it is. So what I'll just do is click on webcam. When I click on webcam, I'm going to capture the location of where I am, and then I will ask Google I'll tell Google that this is where I'm going. I want you to take me to this place. So it's going to give me the description to where I'm going. So we can use that one for it. And another one we have here, which was the one. Hello, please, I'm with you.
I don't want you to go far. I don't know where you get to that place. Talk to Gemini Live.
Click on playground.
Under the playground,
click real time.
The playground, we only have a start building, creating your first app, and quick starts. That's what you see.
Okay, so you don't have real time. You don't have all these ones that I have.
I don't have it. I only have about.
You don't have all these ones that I have on my. Okay,
I don't have
do this. Let me see if that shortcut is still working. Does anyone have it?
Yes, I have it.
Yes, I
Oh, that means it's your own. It's your own. Something is wrong from your hand.
Maybe I should close it.
No, another way that I normally get there is to type googlestudio.google.com, then /live. Just put live and enter, and it will bring you there.
You said?
Just use this URL. It's going to bring you there. aistudio.google.com/live.
Slide.
Live.
Okay.
LIVE.
AI.google.com/live.
/live. Normal slash now that we have in the email address, website URL. Okay. Look at what I have here. Are you there? You are the one delaying also. Okay, so now when we get here, we have this option. We can talk, meaning we will talk to Gemini the same way we talked to Copilot earlier, and then we can do webcam. So the webcam, you can share your location and all, and at the same time we can share screen. So if I wanted to share to see my screen and teach me what I want to learn, I can do that. So if I click on share screen and say acknowledge,
I've seen this.
Okay, so to ask me what I want to share. So for example, I'll just say I want to share, let's say Google Gemini window. Okay, I don't have a lot of many things open. Let me open something. So right here, and we have access to microphone, we have access to camera, and then we have access to screen, start screen sharing. And then we also have access to add files. If you want to add file and you want to work on the file together. For example, now you have a material you want to read, you just upload the material and then you can start asking questions based on the material and it will answer you. So you can work together like that. So let me just see, let me open something and ask it to teach me. Let me just go to settings on this MacBook. Let me go to settings and then share my settings. Let me start sharing. Let me share my settings. Let me share. I'm using this side. Hey Google, can you hear me?
I can hear you. What can I help you with?
Now, can you see my settings? I'm trying to work on a setting that I've shared with you.
Yes, I can see your system settings. It looks like you're in the general pane.
Yes, please. I'm using MacBook for the first time. I want to see how I can set my mouse function.
To find mouse settings, you'll need to scroll down in the left sidebar. Look for a mouse option there.
Okay, I've seen it. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. That's all I need for now.
You're welcome. Feel free to adjust the tracking, double-click, and scrolling speeds. Let me know if anything else comes up.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. So now, did you see that? And look at the quality of the sound. So if you now, and the beautiful thing about this one is that all the recordings I sent, it will record everything, so I can use the audio anywhere. And also, aside from using the audio anywhere.
No problem. I'm here if you need anything else.
So if I need the audio anywhere, I can use it. And also the text, all the responses I got from the AI model, I have everything here that I can make use of. And even the video, the slide I shared, I will have it here, and so on. These are many more we can achieve. So that is just about the live thing. You can give that a try. Just try it out and see what it can give you. Also, the text to speech, you can try all those ones. But what we are here for majorly is we want to build. We want to become developer overnight. So that is what we want to do today. So let's build. Now to build, what we are doing now is called vibe coding. I told us yesterday it is called vibe coding. By vibe coding, we mean we don't need to, it is not us writing codes anymore. It is just you prompting, just write normal text or just record and tell AI that this is what I want you to do for me, and then it will get it done. So that is why we call it vibe coding. Just tell it and sip your drink and wait for it to get it done. So now if I go back home now, to show me home or the project that I worked on. I worked on this one this morning, examination portal, prompting option and all. I did this morning, but I want us to start afresh. So to start afresh, we'll come here under build. So click on build. When you click on build, these are the things you can use. The application you want to create, you can create an application that will have Nano Banana empowered. Nano Banana enabled. Nano Banana will be there that they can use to generate images. Also, that you can use to create conversational voice app. You can use this to create a conversational voice application and also animate image with VO. We know VO is something we have to pay for when we are using the Pro version. And you can use Google search data and Google Map. We can embed Google Map into our design. We can also generate image with Nano Banana. You can generate intelligence in our app and also AI-powered chatbots that will take over the conversation on our behalf, and also prompt based on video generation, control image, and so on. All these are the things that we can add to our application to power up our application. I told you this is a very powerful tool. And right here, we can pick the model we want to use. So if I click on here, it's going to give me this option by the side. Now by default, it is giving me 3 Flash. So I can pick any other one. I can use 3 Pro. They are the preview, but this is standard. You can pick anyone. You can use Pro, you can use Flash. So because I want it to give me the response quickly, I'll just pick Flash. I'll pick Flash, and then I'll keep this as React. And then the microphone I want to use, if I want to use audio, speak to text, I can set the microphone here. I can pick any microphone I want from here. All right, so when I'm done doing the settings, you can see it has changed it to 2.5 for me. Now, what kind of app do you want? We want to create example tab. Let's just build what we have been building. So
hello, sir. What does that mean? It showed Gemini 3. Is it going to change to 2.5 Flash?
No, if you want to change it, just click on Gemini 3 here and come here. You will see 3.5. You will see 3 points here. Click on it and pick anyone you want. You have options.
It doesn't have option. It's only Gemini 3.
Click on the 3 that you see.
Okay. I'll pick it. It shows.
Okay. So now that is what we can have. Now let's now come here. Here I'm feeling lucky. Suggest an app. So if I wanted to suggest an application for me, and I think this. Do you have it on your own computer? This I'm feeling lucky. Do you have it? Hello.
It's there. It's there.
It's there.
Okay. So if you click on this, I'm feeling lucky right now. You can ask for an application. You can ask it to generate an application to suggest an application. So it's saying build a mobile first web app for generating phone wallpaper. This is another thing that I never thought of. So generating phone wallpapers, users describe their current desire, vibe, raining, and so on, and they have generate 4 variations in a 9:16 aspect ratio, allow users to tap an image to see its full screen with download and remix button. Remixing should use the current image and reference the next batch. This is one application that you can build. And if it's building it, it's going to use generate image. So it's going to use Nano Banana to generate the image for the wallpaper and so on. So if we want to use this, we can continue with this, but we are not using this now. So I'll just play it. I don't want you. Thank you for your suggestion. And then I can now tell it the one I want to create. So it's create examination, but two ways. There are two ways to it. If you don't want to stress yourself on writing the code, the prompt and everything, you can easily come here. If you want it to give you a prompt to use, you can, let's say, go back now and come to playground. If you come to playground, you can ask it to generate a prompt for you. So we can do that. So let's try playground now and say I want to create an examination portal where users can create accounts and upload objective questions with 4 answers and 1 correct, with 4 options. Let's say 4 options. Let me put answer here. With 4 options and 1 correct answer They can create account as an institution. Kindly mute your mic, please. Can create account as an institution and have their students register on their own account. I've never tried this before. It's just coming to me and I'm thinking we should try it.
Can you say the prompt on the message on the chat, sir?
Yeah, when I'm done, I want to create an examination portal where users can create account and upload objective questions with 4 options and 1 correct answer. They can create account as an institution and have their students registered on their own account to take allow for upload of Google Sheet that contain the questions and so on. So anything that comes to mind. So let me just copy this and send it to her. So let's try it together and be on the same page. I've sent that. So now I can just say search it for me, and then it's going to give me the prompt. Oh, sorry, I did not say prompt. Sorry, please add prompt when you are pasting it. Right, you know, will give me a prompt that I can feed. Let me recast it. Oh, okay. I want it to give me a prompt. Let's look at the prompt. You say, to handle file passing, real-time exam update and review, this stack is recommended. Front end, real stack, back end, database, ORM, and the database scheme blueprints and all, and then quick feature logic. Okay, so sorry, let me correct this questions. give me a powerful prompt that I can feed Google AI Studio to achieve the results, like that. So let's copy it and let's send it to the chat so you can use that, and then let's run it. Now it's thinking. Let's look at his thoughts. It's saying, I'm currently focused on defining and so on. These are the things it's coming up with. Okay, now this is the prompt. It says, copy the text below into the chat interface. I have structured it using persona-based prompting and chain of thought instruction, which focuses the AI to plan architecture before writing code, and so on. So act as a senior full stack software architect and lead developer. I need you to architect and write the core code base for this system require and so on, technology stack. And all right, so 2, database scheme. Please define a schema in the following relationship. And then 3, key features. And 4, deliverables and so on. Please prioritize clean and model. So we'll copy everything. And it's saying why this prompt works. Text stack specified. So it's telling us why this drawing the prompt will work. So let me just copy everything. I'll copy everything like this. Do Control C to copy. And let's now go to our build to build it. So we'll just paste it here and to start building for us. So it has started work. Then we look at the side here. It's telling us what it's doing. And as it's working on it, we can start adding things. It will be showing us other options, things that we can also add to our application. So here you can use your API key if you have an API key, and also here you can also add chat to it. You can add chat to it, and so on. So you can also add chat to it if you want to. It's build a dashboard for institution admin to create new exam, view existing exam and manage upload questions, so on. So also scroll further and say, yeah, so video understanding can also generate video understanding. All this we can add to what we are working on, create intuitive interface for students to take exam and so on. So let's just
Hello,
wait for
sir.
it. Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Please, I've written the prompts on the after I click the playground. So what should I click? I haven't typed the prompts. What am I going to click? Is it run control?
Run, yes.
After that, I should leave it to run.
Yes. You mean you are build now, right? Not anymore.
What say, sir? Hello, sir.
So it is analyzing it now. It has analyzed it and now it's working on our code. So it's creating what we want for us. Let's just wait for it to be done. Are we trying it? What's the result we are getting? Hello?
I'm still struggling with it. I'm still struggling with it. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I've already run it, but it only bring codes, and then it now bring why this prompt works. Why this prompt works? Then we have number 1, row prompts, explicit text stack, schema definition, and so on.
And then go to build and paste it. Your network is not friendly.
Okay. I should copy the code. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Should I copy the code now?
I don't know the kind of code you are talking about. Did you see the way I copied mine when I was copying it?
You said copy and paste it.
You just copy and pray and paste in the prompt. Actually, this one that we are doing is very complex. This one that we are doing is very complex. So I will do after this one, and we'll hot this and create something quick. So let me give you 10 minutes to do what you want to do while we wait for this to be over with too.
Hello, sir.
When we copy here, are we still putting it on that playground, or when the prompt is copied, where are we going to paste it? Under where, sir? The line is breaking.
Under build, you click on build.
All right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am, with you.
Sir, I need to retype the prompt again. So what next am I going to do? Am I going to click?
No, you go.
Hello? After typing the prompts, what next?
And when you have the prompt, you copy the prompts that you have gotten from there and come and use on that build.
What I'm saying is that I've typed the prompts. So am I going to press rerun? Click on run or true?
Run, yes. Yes.
After that,
this project is heavy. Actually, what we are supposed to do is just feed it step by step and build it. But let's wait for it if it can finish it. But if not, we'll come back and do something simple that you just do personally. For this one, we are designing a comprehensive one for an institution, for institutions. For anyone that wants to use it, that has this app, can use it to do whatever he wants to do. So this is a very big project. But we'll come back and do something simple that we'll just do for our own, for yourself and your students. So you can use that one. So
hello, sir.
Let's try this. I'm with you, ma.
Hello, sir. Does it mean the link? Should I copy from the test, or where should I copy?
I don't know what you are doing.
After I click run control, let me to another format where it's showing the text that I have to copy.
I don't understand. I'm lost. Are you still on playground or
playground? I'm on playground. It has finished on the playground. It's not running again.
Since the playground, follow the procedure we used earlier. You just prompt it. You ask it to give you a prompt that you can use to design the app that you want. And whatever it gives you, you read prompt and come and paste on that build.
It has given me the prompt.
While this is ongoing, let me just, don't worry, let me give you another one. Let's try another one. Don't worry, let's try another one. I think your network is poor. Let's try another one. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Now, and I want us, please, let's just pay attention. I want to start another one afresh. So I'll start this. So let's go here. So to build, just go directly. Don't bother going to playground. Just click on build right here. And then it's going to bring you here. Then tell it the kind of application you want to build. Now, I want to build an application. I want to, or just say build an application that I can use as an examination portal where I can upload my questions and give to my students as kind of something like that. Their examination, it should be able to collect students data and student data, and also have the ability to accept questions upload, like that. So now that I've defined what I want to build an application that I can use as an examination portal where I can upload my questions and give to my students as their examination. It should be able to collect student data and also accept question upload. Okay, I've added upload earlier. So let me just say student data, like that. So I can now send it. You just click on build and it will start building it. This is a small application to create. So it will start the building immediately. So look at what it's doing by the side now. It's building it. So it's straightforward like that. So let's try that.
Please help us send the prompts just like the other one, like the before. So now we can use it to try it.
I've sent it. So we'll have to go on break now. So you can continue trying everything we have done, because it's 10 minutes or 9 minutes to prayer time. So to reconvene at so the Muslims among us, when do you observe your Zuhr prayer? When is your Zuhr prayer over there?
Is one, sir? Is 1:35, 1:40. From Nura there is 1 o'clock.
1:45,
Yes,
right?
1:45.
So if it's 1:45, can we reconvene at 10 minutes to 2 or 2 o'clock? Is that okay by us?
For me, it's okay, but I don't know for others.
10 minutes
No,
to
2
2 will
o'clock.
be
2
okay.
o'clock.
Okay, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay. So before we go now, look at what it has generated for me. Now I have tabs. I have the home, I have teacher, I have students. So as a teacher, if I click as a teacher, I should be able to upload questions. You see now, your examination. So create new exam. If I click on here now, I can add new questions. So I can start adding questions like that. But now, this is not what I want. What I want is, I want an application that will allow me to upload all the questions that AI has generated for us. So I can do that. So we'll prompt it further when we come back. So try that prompt and let's be on the same page. So when we come back, we'll proceed from there. Is that so? This is the student tab. The students will enter their details and then start exam. So when we come back, we'll continue from here, inshallah. So thank you for your time. We'll see you at 2 by God's grace.